Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you the new stylish fonts of Instagram story. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. Now long press on your profile picture on top left corner to add a story. Now I'll just click a blank picture. Then tap on the text icon on top right corner. Now type in a message you like. And at the bottom you'll see different sort of fonts. Tap on a font to make change. This one is the basic font of Instagram story. But now you can modify to use any font you like. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.